Hello again, loves. Rebecca here. Welcome back to the channel and welcome to a Memory Makers design team layout. This release is all about Halloween and it's actually called Happy Halloween. So today I am going to actually create the square folding insert. So there's two parts there. I've printed them off. As you can see, directions. We're going to try to figure this out together because I've never made one. And we have the mini folio with pockets, or folio with pockets. And I'm going to use this in my planner is what I've planned to do with these today. So I'm going to create these. So look at this beautiful artwork. Look at this witch. She is so super cute. She's not a witch, she's a skeleton witch, I guess. But all the pumpkins and the gears and all the fun things, and then it's repeated. Oh, I am in what we call a love with this. And then this one, you can't really see it, but it's a haunted house. And I just thought it was really super cute, and I love the directions that we get with these. So I am going to give this a whirl today. Probably should do it like this so you guys can focus on that. So basically, first and foremost, we're going to cut out. Now, I did do this on thinner paper because I want to put that in my planner for October. So I feel like we can get that stuck right in here somewhere. I might have to cover my cute little sticker, but I figured it would be fun to do. So that is what we're going to do. So I am going to go to town on the fussy cutting of this. I will have everything linked down below so that you can head on over. And these are digital cut file, or digital files, not cut files. So you get all kinds of very, very fun stuff. And actually, if you give me a minute, I will just show you. Hopefully my phone is working. It's not being very cooperative today. So you get, a bunch of files. This is called extra. So as you can see, you've got all kinds of little pockets in there. More pockets. Those are like little tabs and tags. This is the mini folders. Just some more little tabs and tags and folders and such. We also have the additional papers. All kinds of fun little stripes. There are more. The extras, which we were already in the extras, but as you can see, I want to make this as well. It's a little like modular folder, so I think that's cute. The decorative papers, and then you have your toppers. These are fab. So you've got this guy right here, which is a very fun Halloween scene. Let's see if I can look at that. Look at how awesome that is. Let's see if I can actually find. That's this one. So what's on this is this scene right here. How cool is that? How cool is that? How cool is that? All right. So that's a little bit of what we get going on. So if you give me a minute or more, I'm going to start the fussy cutting. Wow, words are hard. Process, and we'll be right back. All right, let's put the mini folio with pockets together. So I did pre-fold, you guys, just because I thought it would help me. However, I feel like my printer did print some things backwards. So, it's fine. We're going to just get some tape on here. My tape is a little big. Again, totally fine. I'm just gonna fold it over, and then this is gonna go right down here. Okay, and then I'm just gonna get the rest of that tape off. Okay. And then this guy goes like here, and this guy goes here. Who knew? What if we actually... Nope. Instead of all the excess tape, we're gonna go glue. So it'll actually give me some time. So this is our glitter glue. And we're gonna get this stuck right here. Put that one there, and then we'll take this one. And we're gonna add right on top there. Okay. And now I'm gonna grab my Teflon bone folder. Let's scoot you guys in. We are going to press that down, and then look. How cute. Excuse me. How cute is that? Oh, love it. I don't know how I'm going to make that work on my planner, but we're going to do it. Okay. So now this thing is like so. Alright. So we've got the square and the square and the circle and the yep. Alright. So we're going to take that, and I did cut that. I need to print some photos. Because we're going to put the photo on this. And then it's just going to slide right in that pocket. And then this one, oh my goodness, I'm in love. So I really like adding things to my, I like adding pictures and stuff to my planners. Come on. Okay. And then this one slides right there. And hold please. You guys, seriously, how cute is this? This is so stinking cute. Okay. And this one goes here. And you have that right there. And it looks like we're just going to run a bead of glue right here. Okay. We're going to glue each one of these down for a nice little pocket. Then we're going to take our bone folder. We're going to close this, otherwise I'm going to lose that cap. So we're just going to take our bone folder. And the reason I like the Teflon bone folder is because it doesn't leave creases on the paper. Or not creases, it doesn't leave marks. Okay. And this folds in here, this folds in here, this folds in here, and then we just roll it up. Oh my goodness. And then when you put it down, and then you just doot doot. How cute. How cute is that? All right, you guys. So that is the fun tutorial for the day. We have got all of these fun little guys. And I'm going to go ahead and add some pictures and stuff to these and put them in my planner. So that's going to be super cute. So thank you guys so much for hanging out with me, and I'll see you later with another video. Bye. Alright, so we've got this all put together as you've seen. I did print out the photos. So it's going to start here. So we're going to adhere these photos. Now this is a trip that I was supposed to be on. My girls went to North Dakota for a scrap retreat. And luckily, my friend Laura bought my spots, but that was the week that I had to go to Germany for work. So they made a fathead of me. And I still got to experience all the fun. So then like this, we're just going to tuck right in here. This one we're going to put right on here and then tuck into that pocket. That's my bestie's mom throwing my head in a wood chipper. And then we've got this one, which will just get stuck in there. It's me and her on a buffalo. I'll stick my head right here. And then this is me going to Canada. They were like, Becky's quite the world traveler this week, because I was in Germany, Great Britain, France, and Canada, and the States, all in one day. All in 1 week. It was a whirlwind trip for me. Alright, so now we have that. Uh-oh. I'm going to pull that over just a little bit. Oh, well, that's why. And now I have a cute little album to document this memory. And I think that is super cute. So then I would just put a little bit of a tack right there so that that stays closed. You just pull it open. You flip through all the photos, and voila. So there's that one. And then for this one, I just picked out a couple photos as well. So this is CJ and apparently me. I need to trim this down just a little bit. Stick that one right there. Trim this one probably down as well. To go right there. And then my head on a sunflower. A little bit more. So we'll stick this one here. We'll pull this one over here. And then this as well, another cute little album, little tack there. And I've got, two cute little albums. So head on over to the Memory Makers website and get the digital download. And thank you guys so much for hanging out with me today. Bye.